Good morning. It's another gloomy, foggy day today. I got up, I did decide to put on just a little bit of makeup. I did just kind of like smooth out my hair, but nothing fancy. Anyway, what does it matter? So it's really early. Well, not really early. It's 8:20. And I've got a lot I want to get done today. So first things first, I'm gonna go out into the garage and I'm gonna go ahead and do the touch-up paint on the cabinet so it can be drying. And then later on, I'll go out there and do the poly over that. And the cabinet will be done. James got the doors put on it last night. So all it needs is the touch-up paint and the poly, and it is good to go. So I'm gonna do that so that can be drying. Then I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna get me a cup of coffee because I haven't had my coffee yet. But I'm gonna do all that first. Then I'm gonna sit down and drink me a cup of coffee. Then your girl is gonna start cleaning because I need to clean this house. It is a disaster. The floors need to be mopped. It just needs a good clean. So that is what I have planned today. So let me get out to the garage, get this cabinet touched up paint because they want to get it this week because they have a party at their house Friday night. So they're gonna try to figure out how to get this cabinet this week. So I want to make sure it's done and ready so whenever they have the opportunity, they can come and get it. So let me get out there and get that done, and I'll be back with you in just a minute.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling
All right, that's done. Gonna let it dry, and then I'll come back out and do the poly on that, and it'll be good to go. All right, house is clean, dusted, mopped, everything. It smells good in here. I just put the coat of poly on the cabinet, so that's done. So now I'm gonna get my thrifted picture with the sheep. I'm gonna bring it in here and I'm gonna start working on the little spots that need to be touched up. And then I'm gonna move into my bedroom and try to figure out where to put it. But first, what, is it time for a treat? First, Buster's gotta have a treat. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna wipe it all down and clean it up. But I am going to be using some Rub and Buff, the antique gold, and I'm probably gonna use my antique wax. And I got questions on where I find the Rub and Buff, and you can find it at Hobby Lobby over there in the paint section. That's where I got it. But first, I'm gonna kind of wipe it up and clean it up.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
wall in my room that I've not been happy with for a while. The shelf is going to kind of have to stay for now because there's wall anchors in there. But I'm going to take down all of this and figure out where I'm going to put it. And then I'm going to put the picture there, and it's going to coordinate with this one. You can see all the sheep there. I love this. This is a print I bought from Etsy, and I just had it printed in a poster size and put it in this frame I already had. It had a home interior picture in it, and I just absolutely love it. So it's going to really coordinate so well with this. I just love it. And this, I love those frames, but I have never really been happy with it. So gonna take it down and figure something else out. Okay, I've got it up. I love it, but the shelf has got to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably get James. Poor James. I'm probably gonna get James to build me a shelf like the length of the frame, and that way, or maybe just a smidge longer. See how this one's just a little bit past it, and I may do the same there, and that way I won't have to worry about those holes there. So that will be getting fixed, and I kind of like the mirror kind of like that. Anyway, I have some books and stuff I can put in here, and you know, all that kind of stuff. But this is where the print is staying. I love it. It's beautiful. And then we'll be working on this. I guess he was right. I'm gonna have another project for him. So I'll be working on a shelf for that. And I'm probably gonna paint it and distress it like the frame is, so it'll kind of go. So do the black with the gold and the wax and stuff like that. And I think that would look really good. So, yep, that's what we're gonna do. This is where I've put that rug, and I love it. This is a high traffic area, especially coming in from the garage and everything. And this catches so much stuff and keeps it out of like the rest of the house. So I love this rug. This is a perfect size, and it was $9, y'all. That's a big rug for $9. So that's where I've put that. All right, y'all, I did it. I added the strand of Christmas lights, and I moved my little lamp from here down to here, but I have it off for right now because I have the Christmas lights on, and I'm just gonna do that through, you know, the season, and then I will turn my little lamp on when I don't have all those pretty Christmas lights up there. But y'all suggested, and y'all were right. I knew something was off with the shelving, you know, the lighting, and y'all had several of y'all suggested I move the little lamp to the other side to kind of, so it wouldn't be like all in line, and that was exactly what it needed. But then while I was up there doing all that, I decided that I would go ahead and just put those strand of Christmas lights. I already had them. That's what I had originally planned to do anyway. And yeah, there you go. So that's how it's looking for now. Who knows? Who knows if it's going to change again, right? All right, y'all, that is going to do it for me today. It's not been like a wild and exciting Vlogmas video, but it's been a very busy, productive day for me today. I got so much accomplished that I wanted to accomplish. I got my whole house cleaned, floors mopped and everything, and that just feels so good. Now I feel like I can just kind of chill out and relax the rest of the week and not have to like stress over that and just keep it tidy. Because I got in my kitchen and I wiped down all my cabinets, you know, cleaned all my stainless, just the stuff that needed to be done. So I got all that done, and then worked on my frame for my, you know, my thrifted sheet print. Got that hung up. I love that. That's still a work in progress, but hey, now I know what to do and I have a game plan. So y'all don't look at it right now. I'm gonna get a different shelf and all that'll change and it'll look so much better. Just don't know exactly when that'll happen. You know, it all depends on when we can get to it. It's just, I mean, nobody's really going to go in our room. And if they pay that much attention to a shelf in our room, I'm going to be like, you need to go. Anyway, so that is just going to do it for me today. I'm sorry it was not so exciting, but, you know, this is just life. And some days you just have to be responsible and do the adult stuff that's not always the fun stuff. But, hey, I love cleaning, so I enjoy it. So I'm gonna call it a day. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I love y'all, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.